Hello and welcome to another episode of latest update. The topic of discussion is cancer care centers to be established. Recently, the finance minister announced the establishment of cancer care centers in all districts of India during the presentation of the union budget for 2025-26. This initiative aims to enhance access to cancer treatment across the country, particularly in rural and underserved areas, addressing the growing incidence of cancer. The move is part of the government's broader strategy to improve healthcare infrastructure and provide timely medical services to cancer patients, reducing the need for long-distance travel to urban centers. Before we proceed, we have an important announcement for you. Drishti IAS is pleased to announce a new batch for the IAS-GS Foundation Prelims Plus Mains course at its Noida branch. The English medium batch will commence on 17th February. The Hindi medium batch will begin on 21st February. For more details, call us at 87501 87501. Cancer Care Centers. The establishment of cancer care centers will enable local access to essential treatment, supporting early detection and improving survival rates. The initiative aligns with the government's ongoing efforts to strengthen public health services and improve overall healthcare outcomes, particularly in underserved regions. By setting up 200 cancer day care centers within 3 years, the government aims to reduce the burden on families affected by cancer and improve healthcare access. Economic impact. India has witnessed a substantial rise in cancer cases, with breast cancer being one of the most common cancers affecting women, while lip and mouth cancers are more frequent in men. The annual increase in breast cancer cases is projected at 5.6%, indicating the growing health challenge posed by cancer in the country. The establishment of cancer care centers is expected to mitigate the economic impact of cancer by providing affordable and accessible treatment options close to patients' homes. Now it's time for the practice question. What is the projected annual increase in breast cancer cases in India? 3.6%? 4.5%, 5.6% or 7.2%. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.